What's up guys, welcome back to my channel and I'm Nora Crystal and today I'm going to be making neon. Let's go. So she's the one that helped me making neon. Okay guys, let's go everyone. Okay guys, also don't forget to click the subscribe button, also like button please. Okay, the first one, you know guys what, I'm trying to making the neon frost dragon. As you guys see, they are all over ground. Oh my god. And this is the second one. Oh my god, my Bluey will going to be come back. This is serious guys. Okay, the third one. Oh my god, it's the last. Oh my god, it's the last. Oh my god. Okay, so the last one is, I'm gonna count guys, so grab and like 3, 2, 1, go. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, no. Oh my god. It's a new frost dragon, guys. Oh my god, everyone. He's finally back in there now. Okay guys, so as you guys see that, this is the neon frost dragon. So much for the come. I'm gonna put the name Liz Bluey. Okay guys.